Hi you guys, welcome back to this channel, Our Relax in Life. Today we are at Bok Tower shooting another video and to enjoy the flowers and the bells. All right, let's roll out our yoga mat and let's do some yoga. All right, so today we are going to get into downward facing dog. So you're gonna get at the end of the mat. You're going to crawl to the other side and lift up your bum up to the sky, and then you're gonna pedal it out. All right, so your body should be making like a triangle. Okay, and if you can put your feet down, that's great. If not, if you're like me and you can't, that's okay too. So what we're gonna do now is pedal it out, get our blood flowing. All right, like this. Okay. Pedal it out. Now we're gonna get into, put your knees down into tabletop, and then we're gonna get into cat-cow. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna breathe in, and then you're gonna, when you breathe out, your belly, you're gonna stick out your belly, like this. Okay? So breathe in, and then breathe out. Breathe in, and 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 out. Breathe in, and out. Breathe in, and out. All right. Now you're going to put your right foot next to your right hand, like that. And then you're going to push off with your left, like this. And you're gonna get into like a runner's pose. You have your arms out like this into warrior two. And stretch out as far as you can. Get your leg muscles working. And breathe in and out. In and out. And don't forget to breathe. Enjoy the smells of the flowers, orange blossoms, and whatever else that you smell if you come here. In and out. Breathe in and out. Put your arms down. Now you are going to put your left leg up at the edge of the mat. And you're going to put your arms up. Put your hands together for prayer pose. Put your hands together and just breathe. Just breathe in and out. In and out. All right, so now we're gonna do our forward fold, and then we're gonna get into downward facing dog again. So we're gonna slowly come down, one vertebrae at a time. Reach and touch your toes. Put your hands down. Put your left back leg down, out, and then do the same thing to the right. And then you're in downward facing dog, and then get into plank. And hold for 3 breaths. In and out. In and out. In and out. Now put your knees down for tabletop. In and out. In and out. Now, get into child's pose. Breathe in, then out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in. All right. So namaste. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. All right. Bye for now.